Replacement filter cartridges, designed for use with all Marina Slim filters, provide chemical and biological chemical filtration. Activated carbon effectively removes pollutants and odors to provide a healthy environment for your fish. Ceramitek, a highly porous ceramic biological filter medium, optimizes biological filtration. Easy to replace, recommended 2-week replacement intervals. Includes 3 replacement filter cartridges. Marina Slim Filter Bio-Carb is a genuine replacement cartridge for all 3 Marina Slim Filter models, S10, S15, S20. Ideal for tropical fish, the filter cartridge contains activated carbon and Ceramitek for optimum filtration and a healthy aquarium. The activated carbon effectively removes pollutants and odors, while the Ceramitek, a highly porous ceramic biological filter medium, optimizes biological filtration. The easy-to-use disposable cartridge should be replaced every 2 weeks for best results. Never replace all filter cartridges at the same time to ensure a constant presence of beneficial bacteria. For more fish tank accessories, check out the other Marina products including aquarium filters, filter media, aquarium heaters, aquarium air pumps, aquarium lights, aquarium decorations, aquarium gravel, aquarium rocks, aquarium thermometers, and aquarium stands. Marina has a wide variety of products that are perfect for your pet fish or betta fish to enjoy in any large fish tank, small fish tank, or in a freshwater tank. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to change. I love these because they are easy to change and of all the cartridge type filters I've used seem to be the best made. I alternate changing one side each week in an S10 model. They are also really cheap, like what, 75 cents per cartridge. I spend 5 times that daily on coffee lol. As usual with Amazon's weird pricing at the time of this review, they are cheaper the less you buy, so I just buy 10 3-packs for $23 rather than one 18-pack for $27. Unless I'm missing something and it's 18 3-packs. You never know with Amazon's awful descriptions, but I'm not going to risk it because it probably is just 18 cartridges.